List of essential items for students for Canada for winter edition especially. In clothing, you should carry pair of shoes like sneakers, formal footwear, boots, and slippers. You should carry at least one pair each of them. Formal wears are really needed, especially when person going for an interview. So you should carry shirts, bottoms, blazers, and apart from that, undergarments um, are really important. So you should carry at least seven of them because these are the things which are needed in daily routine. Apart from that, your casual wears, jeans, leathers, items according to your needs. Carry different kind of socks like thick regular woolen sweaters, thumbers as well, at least two pairs of them. Winter jacket, gloves are essential because in Canada winters are really harsh, so you need these kind of protective gears to protect yourself during the winter. Watches is also really essential because in Canada time is everything, so that you can able to wear a watch on your wrist and able to manage your time. Apart from that, in utensils you should carry basic things like cooker, pan, serving spoon, mugs, and the cooker should be an induction non-stick one, flat bottom, because these kind of cooker are only compatible with the heating system out there in Canada. Also carry some plates, bowls, at least two each of them, tiffin as well, so that you can able to take your lunch to your workplace. In Canada, in food items you should carry masalas, pulses, instant foods like Maggi, poha, upma, biscuits, namkeens according to your needs, so that you can able to save some cost during the initial days, as expenses are quite high when person lands in Canada. You can carry these miscellaneous items as well, like thin blanket, traditional wears, towels, and of course you can pack these blankets or traditional wear in a vacuum bag to save the space while you are packing. And you can buy these vacuum bags from Amazon at very reasonable price. Apart from that, I have also mentioned stationery items, because stationery in Canada is really expensive. Medicine box, small city umbrella, as weather in Canada again is unpredictable, you cannot able to predict. Bed sheet and pillows are needed, and you can buy if you reach here as well in Canada, but I recommend it to buy from India only, because here it is really expensive and student cannot able to afford when they land in Canada. So it is better to carry from India only. And toiletry packing items like papers, because there is no jet spray in toilets in Canada. Other miscellaneous items like toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, shampoo, conditioner, hair oil, deodorant, perfumes, etc. you can carry, so that you get a time to settle down and you do not have to rush away for all these things as soon as you reach in Canada. Now comes the document which must be in your carry-on bags, otherwise you are not allowed to enter in Canada or clear your immigration. This include your passport, your study visa, your travel insurance, your flight ticket, academic mark sheet and transcripts. Carry original notarized and copies as well. College offer letter, fee receipts, IELTS TRF scorecard, GIC certificate, resume, pen. And one thing I forget to mention is quarantine plan. No matter you are vaccinated, in case your RT-PCR, your COVID test report comes positive when you land in Canada, because there is a test which is done when person arrives in Canada, so you need some backup plan. So I always recommend to carry a quarantine plan as well, to prove in front of the immigration officer. So do not forget to carry all these things. Gadgets is something which I do not recommend people to carry, or students to carry from India, because electronics are quite reasonable or inexpensive in Canada as compared to India. So you should buy all these gadgets according to your need from Canada only. Apart from that, in cabin bag you should carry a pair of thermal, t-shirt, pants, underwear, because flight is for 15 hours, so you need some new clothes as well. So always carry some extra clothes to change it whenever you need to change